guys, my name is Santhosh. Okay, this right here is the Skyvik Signi X 20X macro lens kit. This is a smartphone macro lens which can help you take amazing shots. So today I'll be doing an unboxing and review of this lens, and the speciality of this video is that I'll be taking some cool shots with this 8 megapixel smartphone. Yeah, I'll be using the lens in the 8 megapixel smartphone and I'll be taking you some amazing shots. So let's get started. Okay, let's start off by unboxing the box. To be honest, the box was really hard to open. I'm weak at unboxing this stuff. And meanwhile, I just wanted to tell that the price of this macro lens is just 1000 rupees. And yeah, I'll be giving a promo code at the end to get a 5% off. I have contacted Skyvik company personally and I've asked them for that code. So yeah. Now, once the box is open, you get a pouch like this inside which the lens is placed. Let me keep this aside and see what's inside the box. Okay, there is this thumbs shaped card right in the box, which is a really creative way to enhance the customers. And you might have seen this card in my videos also. Now, let's keep all this stuff aside and move back to the pouch which you saw earlier. There is this little Skyvik logo on the pouch. Inside the pouch, there is this lens which I'll talk about later, and there is a small pouch also. You can use this pouch for carrying the lens wherever you want, and inside this pouch there's a cotton cloth for cleaning the lens, and there is this hook kind of thing. I don't know what you call it. You can hang this on your pant and you can take it wherever you want. Now, this is what we are looking for. The lens. They have covered it with a cap so to avoid the dust or so. And it comes with a 25mm focal length with a 20x macro lens. So the build quality of this lens is not that good. It's average, but it's okay for the price. So they have got this clip kind of thing to attach it on your mobile very easily. So I'll be telling you how can you attach it. So it's not that difficult to do this. You have to just take the mobile. In my case, I'm taking the 8 megapixel mobile. Yeah, this is the Micromax AQ5001 which was released in 2015. It's not that bad. And I have a screen also broken. So just take the lens, remove the cap from the lens and take the clip and put it on your camera. That's it. If you are having dual cameras, put it on your primary lens, not the secondary one or third one. Voila, you're good to go. Now let me take some sample shots and show you how does it work on an 8 megapixel smartphone. So first impressions on my photo which I have taken, I couldn't believe it because I'm not that good photographer, but the photos came out pretty well. And yeah, all these are without editing, and for me, I feel these shots are amazing. And yeah, I shot this with 8 megapixel smartphone without any third-party applications. And I have taken some pics from Instagram. I have asked their permission, and I'll be linking their Instagram account down below in description. So overall, I felt this lens was good for its price, and the blurriness was not that good, but it's okay. And the code which I was talking about is called Magical. Using this code, you will get a 5% off on any of your purchase from Skyvik website. And at last, I just wanted to thank a YouTuber called Check That Out. He gave me advice on using an 8MP camera and see the results. He is really close to 1000 subscribers. It would mean a lot if you subscribe him too. And the final verdict I wanted to give about this macro lens is that it's great. I'm not sure how many lenses are there at this price, but I really like this one. I'm not that into photography, but the shots which I have taken are good, and I feel this lens is worth its price only. So that's it for today, guys. Hope you enjoyed the video, and I have made a video on best launchers which I'll be giving it right here or here, and a video on Samsung Galaxy M21 which I'm currently shooting on. So please do check it out. If you like this video, please make sure to subscribe, and if you don't like, please give some suggestions. So that's it. Hope I'll meet you in my next one. Until that, this Santhosh and I'm signing off.
You got me running, got me running.